This is the spectacular footage shared by the United States Geological Survey from drones. The organisation said they were sharing it to show how drones were used for the first time on US territory after the massive explosion of the Hawaiian volcano in the Hawaiian Islands. The compilation video was put together from footage that was shot when the eruption happened in 2018. The twin eruptions from two different areas sent a huge mass of lava flowing over the island of Hawaii from May through to August. It destroyed over 700 homes and dumped huge amounts of ash over much of the rest of the area.